When we're up north, we do it right. Look at that. The makings of some Philly cheese steaks. Tell you, this Blackstone is a godsend when you're up north. Cooked wieners on it, bratwurst on it, breakfast on it, hamburgers on it, you name it. I mean,
Shish kebabs.
Shish kebabs, yeah. Both times we shish kebabs. We do one steak, one chicken, and split that. But oh man, these Philly beefs. Ooh, we gotta do smash burgers up here, baby.
Yeah.
Because we got that pretty much mastered, we think.
Yeah.
Well, to our liking. But I mean, this is so easy. Buy the chopped steak. This time we went with Gary's Quick Steak. Melissa's getting those buns. And what do we got? Provolone for cheese, hon?
Yeah.
I'm kind of a wimp. I don't do the peppers or the onions. Don't hate me. Oh man. We've done this a couple times. We had my son over for dinner and oof, he loved this.
Yeah, if you love the camp or even just any sort of, even if you just love the barbecue, Blackstone is.
Blackstone is right.
I mean, don't get me wrong, the barbecue's still great, but
Yeah, it's real slick, man, up north. And we did go with, we bought the adapter hose. And honey, how much was that adapter hose? Like 20 bucks or? So then you can connect to the, the 20-pound LPs, you know. So then you're talking 20 bucks a refill or maybe even less. But, but when we first got it, we just had the, the little 1-pound Coleman tanks. And man, it's expensive, you probably get maybe 4 meals out of it, kind of depending upon what you're cooking, but. Oh man. Today's a Friday. We've been up here since Wednesday. Heading back tomorrow, but got a lot done. Clear some property. Got the side-by-side up here and the shipping container and getting that loaded full of goodies, and made a lot of great progress on the trail system too. Wow.
cheese and plates. These are looking pretty good.
Oh. Oh.
Alright, there's that.
Got the dogs inside. Louis, our beagle, has got like he's paranoid about flies. He got bit by a fly a long time ago, so now, they kind of go by his, anywhere. We're up north. Flies everywhere, but he freaks out, so he likes to chill in the cabin. But come fall, he'll be ready for hunting. This is coming out with the cheese. Oh boy.
I'm hot in the sweatshirt.
I would imagine.
We'll be in there in a minute, Louie.
See Louis in the window there.
He hates the flies, so. Yeah.
I think we all do.
Whoa. That's all gotta fit in your bun.
Oh.
Right there. And that's gotta fit in mine.
Look at that. Holy moly.
Load her on. If I had mushrooms, it'd be even better.
I'd pass on the mushrooms as well. We've done this at home with Cheese Whiz. This provolone's good. Oh yeah. I got that pan, that little bowl too, Honda. If you want. Wow.
Ha! Alright, now clean
Just
up.
let that cheese melt on those bad boys and then
Caramelized edges on the meat.
ooh.
It's about to be on.
Yeah, the next part, the old flipperoonie, that takes a little bit of practice with the spatula getting it all on there, but we're getting there. I think that's Snapchat worthy, definitely. Today, but we've been lucky in the evening. She cools down to about 60. Perfect sleeping weather.
Alright. Ooh, I kind of got that one reversed, but that's alright.
This is the tricky part I was talking about. Oh, man.
Ooh, hot.
Look at that sandwich. Oh, wow. Unless you need help holding the plate or anything, or...
Yeah, probably will. You just kind of stay right over here. That one not as clean, but that's all right.
Don't drop that plate, man.
Nope, I got it right under there.
Like I said, this is the part that takes a little bit of practice, but as long as it gets on the plate, that's all that counts.
And into my belly.
All right. Any questions, comments, tips, please comment
Subscribe.
below and make it a great day.